Memorial Hall, I'm scoring big. This is my third Lexan in a row. Whoa. It's got a Westinghouse level. Ooh, look at this. Ooh, the swing panels. Whoa. Caveat on the way down. Whoa, oh my god. It kind of fell apart. Okay, let's listen to better. Wow, that's a Westinghouse level right there. We'll go to... I need to get that Westy leveling again, so I'll do 2 rides. Look at this. You can see the lamp. I would get a flashlight, but my phone's too low for that. What is this? Well, look at that. Dangerous. Try pulling up the phone box. Yeah, it does have one. Okay, let's get this Westinghouse leveling. Yep. Alright. Spending way too much time on this one. Of course, you got your Otis plate. Cab, I don't know if I did that yet. It's already my 4th Lexan. This one has an open swing panel. Yep. Hofstra has a lot of Lexans for sure. Has a lot of Otis. Alright, that's it.